I'm Kathy, and this is my sister Becky, and we are co-owners of Miss Cayce's. We create, inspire, and educate to decorate.
One thing that we love about ribbon that we use is it's designer ribbon. It is wonderful fabrics with great wiring, and the great thing about that is it can be reused. I'm going to show you how to tie a bow like what I put on the light sconce. I have my ends cut on a knife edge. I'm going to go up just a little ways, and I'm going to gather in between my fingers. I'm going to make a loop. You see the loop? I'm going to gather it again in my fingers, and I'm going to twist it. If I don't twist it, then I have the wrong side of the fabric to make this loop. The twisting also gives it a poof and fluff as you finish tying it. So now I have my one loop. I'm going to make my second loop. I'm going to gather it up again, and I'm going to twist it. And it takes practice to be able to hold this in your fingers. When you're using the wider ribbon too, I notice that people sometimes will have a little bit more difficulty with that, but practice, practice, practice. Take this piece, tie it over and over and over. I'm going to do the same thing with the black and white polka dot. And this is ribbon that we bring in from one of our best manufacturers, that we pick out the designs and patterns that we want. And we think that we really have the best ribbon selection of anywhere in town, or really in the world. The next thing I'm gonna do is add on a piece of ribbon. If you're short on ribbon or you just want to add a little touch of this, Kathy cut this on the knife edge for me. I'm gonna lay it across the middle, and I'm gonna gather it up, and then we use floral wire, 20 gauge green floral wire. I placed it underneath my thumb. I'm bringing it to the back. I switch hands to bring it to the other side, keeping my ribbon gathered up. And now this is where you're going to twist it. And we don't like to use pipe cleaners, because pipe cleaners, once you've twisted them a time or two, they break off and you have to replace them. This floral wire will last you for seasons to come. All right, and now we'll place it up on our light fixture. And this is a great way to add color and charm if you're having a wedding shower, baby shower, celebration of some type. It's an inexpensive way to add a lot of color and pop to your decor.